हेलो एवरीवन। सो टुडे इज़ 4th ऑफ सितंबर और चलिए बात कर लेते हैं हम लोग क्या डिस्कस किए थे और आगे चल के क्या होने वाला है। आई मीन व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग नेक्स्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा। ओके, सो एज यू ऑल नो दैट वी डोंट डू हियर कि मुझे लगता है, वी ऑल डू इज एनालिसिस बेस्ड ऑन डेटा पॉइंट। सो what data points was saying on Friday, that was we clearly discussed that call buying was done by the big guys and heavy put writing was also done, and so I mean things have to go up. Now you saw that today there was a gap up. Then as I usually say that if there is a gap up, like if there was a flat opening, then you could have gone long easily, but after a gap up you have to be careful. Okay, so after this gap up Nifty started coming down. And now the thing that you have to notice is that are these big guys, are they closing their position. So मैंने क्लियरली बताया था इन लोग कहाँ पुट राइटिंग किए थे, 19,400 पे पुट राइटिंग किए थे FIIs PropDex ने. सो आई क्लियरली सेड एवरीथिंग. नाउ आफ्टर कमिंग टू दिस लेवल, मेजर लेवल 19,439, ये लेवल मैंने बहुत बार आप लोग के साथ डिस्कस किया, 19,439 एंड 19,472. सो coming into this region, Nifty started halting. Okay, so Nifty then started consolidating here, and what happened was more call buyers came into action. So now you might think like this. I mean, you in the current market situation you have to think like, while this down move is coming, जब ये down move आ रहा है तो put writing positions का क्या हो रहा है? Okay, call buying positions का क्या हो रहा है? Are they closing? Are the put writers escaping? So you have to identify whether the retail put writers are escaping or the big put writers are escaping. Okay, that you can determine with the help of volume, as I said, as I explained earlier also. So that's where the variable volume comes in. Okay, now think that now this came and they were not closing, and so if at 19,439 Nifty ने अगर support नहीं लिया होता तो straight away you know where the next level is, that is at 19,320. So Nifty would have slipped to 19,320. So the big put writers and the call buyers, they had to save Nifty at this level. Okay, so first level was 19,472, that slipped and then came to 19,439. now here it was the last chance for the bulls to save their positions, or either close their positions or save. फिर क्या हुआ, इधर इन लोग ने फिर लॉन्ग पोजीशंस बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग लॉन्ग पोजीशंस एंड मार्केट वेंट अप. ओके, सो हियर जस्ट एट द बॉटम व्हेन दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग लॉन्ग पोजीशंस, सो आई वाज वेटिंग फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग लाइक market is falling, but why should I short, because the big guys have taken long position, so I might get trapped. So just at that position, like at 11 am, before 11 am, the score in the indicator started increasing. Okay, so here you see that though the score was decreasing from this 10 am, all these started happening. Okay, so here you see that 10:51 the score sharply increased, but go and check at 10:51. After 10:51 Nifty did not sharply increase just at that point. Even at 11 am it was still stuck at the bottom. So Nifty was giving some lows, but score started sharply increasing. Okay, the money flow started increasing, and also here also BankNifty, it was clearly visible in Nifty, but a little bit of in BankNifty also it was clearly visible. Here the score started increasing from as you can say before 11 am, and even during that time what happened was call buyers were present. Okay, so here I noticed that call buyers are present and also put writing was going on again, and and big guys bought puts at 19,400 today at 101. Okay, so look at the time. So all these analysis are about the big guys. So whatever I share here, it's not tips or anything, it's perfect analysis of the big guys positions. Okay, and according to that I take trade, and according to that whatever you say like this is a mentorship or my analysis. So my analysis, it's this. If you want such analysis, you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group where you get the access to the money flow, and as well as this Telegram channel. And again let me remind you, this is the same Telegram channel. Okay, So it's not like in one Telegram channel I go long and in another one short and then I show which one worked. So this is like over the period of time. Every day in the video I say, even if I go wrong, on the days I show that yes, I have gone wrong, there is nothing, no shame to go wrong, but you check my accuracy. Okay, if my accuracy is going below 80%, then you go away, or whatever. So if see my accuracy, it's like more than 90%. Okay, so sometimes 100%. Like last week there was only one wrong trade of put writing, but the rest were all correct. Okay, so even this week also, like we are going with very high accuracy. Like this week just started today, so today whatever, like I one call buying and 2 times put writing, it went everything went correct. Okay, so anyways, coming to the other analysis. So here, like that's the thing. And then what happened, like you would say that 11 a.m. to market upar chala gaya, right? So if you come to 1 minute chart, so here is 11 a.m. okay, so 11 a.m. just at the bottom we bought. Okay, we means the FIIs. Okay, the FIIs were buying just at the bottom, and you see just exactly 11:1, so it started reversing, and then you know what happened. Okay, market like went from 19,439 to 19,000, more than 19,500 anyways. So even I shared after like at 11:31 I shared even on Twitter that the big guys have bought 19,400 at 101. Okay, so the time you can go and check, it was 11:31 a.m. So even at that moment also, like this analysis, just go and check the time, 11:31. Even after that also, the price went from the price came down to here 11:31 a.m. The price came down to 117, and from there the price went to 173. So मतलब अगर आप चाहते हो तो एडवांटेज उठा सकते थे. Anyways, so like everything I have discussed, that is the levels and everything. So here the put writing position, what I did was, like, since it was getting resistance a little bit there, I took no risk. I closed my call buying position and also my call writing position, and as soon as market went up above this level 19,472, again shorted. Okay, that 19,400 PE. So here was 19,400 PE, morning shorted at 42, what the big guys, the FIIs were doing. And then I covered it at 36.50, and then when market was going up again, then again I initiated it at 35, and ultimately, like, the price is at, I think, near about 20 rupees. So anyway, 22 I think 23 rupees anyway. So I think that will be expiring like tomorrow. It will premiums will erode. Anyway, talking about the other data, so the levels are working fine. I have discussed the levels here, so you can very well see today as soon as 90,506 crossed, so the bulls were showing strength, but we'll have to observe so if Nifty continues further, then we will have the next resistance will be at 19,558. And for BankNifty, BankNifty has to cross, though call cash buying was going on at the end. Why? Because the FIIs have done put buying. Okay, so here if even this level crosses, then we have 44,776 as the next resistance for BankNifty. And if you want such analysis, you can I gave many live updates, so if you want such analysis, you can be a part of the you can follow me on Twitter. And also, like, here I mentioned that cash buying is going on in BankNifty. Even here also I gave the hint. Just after that, like, BankNifty started moving up and breaking this 44,520 level. So you have to, like, volume is a leading indicator. Okay, so you have to know how to use it properly. So talking about the other data points, so here let's go to the end of the day data. So end of the day data is suggesting what? That is ये देखिए कि you will notice that call writing has been done by the FIs and put small amount of put writing has been done, but no, look at the call buying amount. So call buying किया है इन लोग ने, So FIIs have done call buying, and as well as like here if you notice that Propdex ने क्या किया कि they have profit, they have done profit booking, because if you see this is the amount of call writing, but what about call buying? No call buying, okay, almost nil. But that's not the thing, they have closed their call buying and initiated those hedging positions, okay. That's why the difference is very small. But yes, they have done Propdex, they have done call buying, call writing, but they have also booked their call buying positions, but they have also initiated huge amount of put writing positions. On the other hand, FIIs, they haven't done any put writing, but they have done, but not very huge. But they have done call writing, but they have done also huge amount of call buying, okay. So I think what can happen is, first they can book the call buying positions and then might be booking the call writing positions. I think that's how the game will be played. So anyhow, like both the sides we can see the move, and these two are not the same FIIs. Like as you know, like many FIIs have entered the market, और इन लोग का दो FIIs का दो different views हो सकता है, and that we have seen in the past. In those situations, retail traders needs to be very careful, because we can see both the side moves. Anyway, coming to the other thing, that is, yes, now what, like option chain is bullish, okay, both for Propdex and FIIs, bullish, it's bullish. Propdex, they have huge amount of put writing positions, and also FIIs, they have call buying positions. Okay, now coming to futures not much activity, like very nil activity you can see. So futures, let's not conclude, because the month has just started, so they are not showing any interest in futures, rather than they are showing interest in option chain. So option chain, again I discuss, it's bullish, but again we have to be little bit careful, because some FIs have also done call writing as well, okay. So yeah, if like tomorrow we also have FIINIFTY expiry, so we will have to be a lot careful, because here the Propdex, okay, so coming to this thing, that is the Propdex, yes, they have done this. So this huge amount of put trading that has been done by the Propdex in FIINIFTY, and this call writing has been like done by some of the FIs, and this call buying has been done by the other FIs. But yes, we have to now notice this thing, that is कौन पहले profit booking कर रहा है. So it's usually the call buyers, the option buyers books profit first, and then the writers have time, but not the buyers. So this is what we have to watch. But for the very first thing, it's a bullish move, so maybe buy on dip, or maybe buy anything, but yeah, the data is bullish. And talking about the other data points, like FIs have sold, but they are taking long positions. But try to understand, this selling might not be in Nifty or BankNifty, okay. And talking about the advance to decline ratio, they are almost flat, and I've discussed everything. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if my analysis is helping you, then please do like the video, and please do share it among the other traders, so that they can also take the advantage of it. And thanks for watching. And if you want to be a member, so you are almost welcome to be a part of the derivatives indicator group, or else you can follow me on Twitter for live market updates. And yeah, thanks for watching, keep watching, and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.